In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a page into a portrait Canva. We'll take a single page in your existing design and switch its orientation to portrait, all without disrupting the rest of your project. This is perfect when one page needs a taller layout for things like flyers, posters, or mobile-first designs. Start by opening your project. Along the bottom of your editor, you'll see the page thumbnails that represent each page in your design. Find the page you want to change. Hover over that page's thumbnail, then right-click it to open the context menu. From there, choose Resize Page. This tells Canva you only want to adjust the size of this specific page, not the whole document. A sizing panel or pop-up will appear. Click Custom Size. This is where you control the exact dimensions and orientation. Click into either the width or the height field. When you do, you should see the orientation options appear, typically labeled Portrait and Landscape. Choose Portrait. Portrait orientation makes your page taller than it is wide, which is ideal for vertical layouts. If you work in specific units, like pixels, inches, or millimeters, double-check the unit selector so your page ends up exactly the size you expect. Before you apply the change, decide whether you want to keep your original page. If you'd like a new portrait version while preserving the current layout, click Copy and Resize. That will duplicate the page and apply the portrait orientation to the copy, so you can compare both versions side by side. If you don't need a copy, simply apply the resize to the current page and move on. After the page switches to portrait, take a quick look at your design elements. Because the canvas shape changes, some text boxes, images, or shapes may need light adjustments. Use alignment tools, snapping guides, and the position options to tidy everything up. If something doesn't look right, remember you can undo the last action to step back. That's all there is to it. Open your project, right-click the page thumbnail, select Resize Page, choose Custom Size, switch to Portrait, and optionally use Copy and Resize to keep the original. With these steps, you can quickly tailor individual pages to the format that fits your content best, and keep your project consistent and polished from start to finish.